Welcome to a world where accuracy meets speed and information becomes beautifully organized. Welcome to the art of data entry. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey, transforming you into a data entry ninja, equipped with skills sharper than a samurai sword. First stop on this journey is the data checkup. Picture yourself as a meticulous detective, ensuring every piece of data is accurate. Use tools like drop-down menus to avoid errors. It's like choosing your character in a video game. You also want to double-check your data, just as you would proofread an essay for typos. Next, we step into the realm of data organization. Imagine your data as a room that needs tidying up. We want to keep things consistent. Dates should be in the same format, like 2024-10-27. And when it comes to units, stick to 1. If you start with centimeters, keep it that way. Now, even the best of us make mistakes, but it's how we fix them that counts. When you spot an error, say you've written Charizard instead of Charmander, correct it immediately. And remember, there are helpful tools out there, like software that highlights spelling errors. Tracking changes is essential in the life of a data entry ninja. Picture a detective's case file. That's what your record should look like. Whenever you make a change, note it down, including who made the change and why. If you find a mistake, log it. This way, you can learn and avoid making the same mistake twice. Finally, we arrive at data security. Information is precious, and we need to protect it like a secret treasure. Use strong passwords and limit access to your data. It's like keeping a treasure chest and only giving out keys to those who truly need to access it. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these data entry skills, the faster and more accurate you'll become. Soon, you'll be a data entry ninja, ready to tackle any information challenge. Now, to help you on this journey, we've created a special tool, the Ultimate Data Entry Cheat Sheet. It's a one-page PDF outlining essential tips, keyboard shortcuts, validation techniques, and common data formats. So, why wait? Download it now and take your first step towards becoming a data entry ninja.